Hello, neighbour. Oh, Mr. Gale. Ah, I guess that's it then.
No more mayhem and destruction. Hanging up the old rocket launcher.
All right. I really love what you've done with the place. It'll be sad to see you go.
Put it on the shelf, as it were. Gathering dust.
Unless...
some unfinished business, perhaps. Loose ends to snip. Or people to kill. That's what I just said, Doggy. It's Yogi, you prat. Smoke?
Smoke?
Not this time.
Brother, now that Pagan is gone, his forces at Rajgad are confused and disorganized. You should strike while the iron is hot and seize the fortress for the Golden Path.
You chose to fight your own people. When you sided with the Amita, you chose to desecrate your own heritage and spit on the gods. Now you kneel before the Tarun Matara, asking forgiveness. No. No. Where was that forgiveness when you butchered your brothers and sisters? You committed crimes against the gods themselves. So I say to you, today, you chose to cut your own throats, not me.
Wait. Bhadra.
She is Tarun Matara now. Sins against the gods can only be washed away with blood. There must be a cleansing for us to move forward, brother. Eventually, the Tarun Matara will understand that. Will you?
I shot at a dog who was chasing the monk. It was a funny sight, but the dog looked mean.
I would have done the same thing.
Dear Sala, be careful!
What the hell are you doing?
Hey, Kamina Kutta!
Hey, Ajay. Miss me?
Watch out for those stray dogs. I killed one who tried to bite me.